everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, we're looking at a 13-pan Gelato freezer display. This is going to be one of our new styles. Okay, as you can see, it has that curved glass display on the front. We got glass display on the sides as well. We got our slide doors on the back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off by giving you the measurements for this unit. We'll also measure the pans for you on the inside. Okay, length, you're looking at 70 inches. Okay, for your depth, you're looking at a total of 33.5 inches. The overall height for this freezer, you'll be looking at about 53 inches high. The unit does have wheels on the bottom so you can easily move it around. It also has legs, so you have both options for this unit, whether you want to use the wheels or the legs. Okay, now here's one of the pans that is going to be provided for this unit. As we mentioned, there's 13 of these pans provided. You also will be provided with an instruction manual, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information's on that booklet. Measurements for the pan, you're looking at 6 inches by 14 inches, okay, by 5 inches. Okay, so each pan, same measurement. You also have a smaller pan on the inside, which is going to be used for all your spoons or the material. Okay, now on the back we have a control and a start and stop switch, power switch with your temperature control. That's where you can set your temperature. Also have a sticker on the bottom with all the specs on this freezer, including the certification. This unit is going to be certified by the health department, so you can find that on that sticker located on the back of this unit. Also on the back, you will locate your plug for this unit. Okay, it's going to be located on the back, which is going to be a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Okay, so this is going to be a little demonstration for this 13-pan Gelato freezer display. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit on the website, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call, and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.